Dear viewers, welcome back to the channel again. In this video, we are going to look at the basics of AppFolio and we will learn the user interface. So this video is going to be super useful for property managers. It is going to be useful for the freshers who are looking for how to learn the CRM, and this is also going to be useful for all the experienced persons. So we are now at the dashboard, as you can see. So on the right side of this dashboard, you will see a lot of task related actions. And on the left side, you will see the main menu bar. Look at this as a browser with a tab on the left side and subtasks on the right side. So for this dashboard view that I am sharing now, as you can see, I have selected it here. You'll be seeing the whole big picture of what is happening in this whole property. For example, as you can see, first one is the notification. This gives you a view about the activities, the overdue items, and everything. Then you have a notification feed. Any kind of a notification from a tenant or from a property manager or from a vendor, everything will be available here in a summary view. Then, if you want to look at the move-outs, here is the section for you. You'll see a lot of move-outs here. For move-ins, this is the section. You can see that there is a lot of move-ins that will be happening. Here you can see the payments that are made by the tenants. This will give you a wonderful view about how much tenants, what is the percentage of the tenants that they have paid online, and how many are still yet to pay. This gives you a detail about the leasing activities for the last 30 days. You can see how many guest cards we have received, out of which how many are inactive, how many are active. You can also see how many rental applications are approved for the last 30 days. You can see whether it is a new, it is approved, denied, or something similar to that. And you'll also be able to see the online leases and everything that is signed. So if it is out for signing, if it is ready for countersign, or if it is fully executed. And also, you will be able to see that lease expirations, basically the lease renewals. So 5 expiring this month. So basically, this month we have 5 that is expiring and 21 for the next month. So we have to send a lease renewal. You'll also be able to see the current status of all the units, how many are vacant online, how many are turned. You'll also be able to see the number of turn or the average turn that is taking for us to turn a unit. You'll see the whole portfolio, how many people are there, how many units are there. You'll be able to see the number of bed, bathroom, how many rented, how many not rented. You'll also be able to see other details like delinquency, maintenance, insurance coverage, and everything. So that is just the summary of what we can see in dashboard. Of course, you can customize this dashboard. You can drag and drop this so that if you're a leasing agent who wants to just monitor the leasing activities, you can drag and drop it. As you can see here, you can just drag it and drop it wherever you want. And if you're a maintenance person, you can drag and drop this as needed. And if you're a portfolio manager, you can manage the move-ins and move-out. So you can arrange this as needed. And then click on save and you're done. So that is all about the dashboards. And as you can see, we have dashboards, we have calendars, we have leasing, we have properties, we have people, we have accounts, we have maintenance, reporting, communication, and what is new, the latest updates. So dashboard is what we have discussed now. Calendar is something that gives you an idea about what is the schedule of the vendor, what is the schedule of the move-ins, move-outs, what is the schedule of upcoming lease ends, and everything. So leasing will give you an idea about, okay, what the application or the rental application that is going to be received. You will also be able to see the upcoming renewals that we need to send. So this gives you a big overview of what is happening there. Properties, this will show you the whole properties in the whole portfolio. People, of course, this will have all the contact details of tenants, vendors, owners, and everyone. Accounting, as you know, this will highlight all the payables. Like as you can see, you'll be able to see receivables, payables, and bank transfers. In the maintenance, you will be able to see work orders, recurring work orders, of course, inspections, unit turns, projects, purchase order, inventory, fixed, and in the report, you'll be able to see the reports, of course, a scheduled report where you can send a specific report to your email or to the owner on a specific duration of time. You can see metrics, you can see surveys, and in the communication, you can see letters, forms, messages from the tenant, messages from vendors. And of course, what's new is something that Folio is giving us an option to look at all the. And if you're really interested in just maintenance, if you're really interested in reporting, leasing, you can just filter this out and you'll be able to see the feed that AppFolio gives us. So that is all about the dashboards, or that is all about the menus that we have. On the right hand side, as you can see, you'll be able to see a calendar. If you want to add a new property, you can add it. If you want to move in a tenant, you can do that. If you want to enter a bill, you can do that. If you want to add a new vendor, you can do that. And also you can do a rent increase. So this is a people section, this is a property section, this is the calendar section, this is the report section, this is the letter, and this is the topic. That's all about dashboard.